Biamono kimo mwancho mwaligereri na inde karibu ase kionga chinsa inye ema goroba ya lero nche nigongoro kwa haro ni ototo nyangiri na kuruanza mea transmission nigagoro kwa afira kariri tuboterani oika omwario na kionga chinsa inye nigotogo chaka noroboti ko selirube lijanya kwa waliko bato kwa kurua ase serikali kwa muno ewe isara yechisemi inse ye kiombegergia Kenya National Examination Council liko nyarakabali kwa igoro ya balia bonsi bago chikokora kwa sababu wate emerobili yogo chikokora guikaransa amatemu aikirasi ye 12 KCSE bali bantanya takabako yakora gosibali baragani ko irora amatemu ayo kubatekana amo noroboti urugo siliruke liko rwase ewisare yo nigo ligotayabuna nigo abarokigwa hapa ponete gosibani likwelike go chakali tukule Jumatatu chitariki emerongebe na nebere chimotinyo iga goikachitariki emerongebe neyemo chimotienyi ogo chamotinyo kabire lituko lya ijuma na nigo ligotayabonsi banyakaba wesokia amo na amasakaronzi akorokebna abande bambeligeti asamatemu ayo naboigo mbaikreneti amaganionsi yogokora amatemu ayo naboigo nigo egotebekana muna nigo bonsi bali baragani koirora amatemu ayo baranya gose baraganirwe kokora amatemu ayo omotienyi ogatano na kabire kolende tali omotienyi oikomena limo munere botambe naboigo nigo aborokia abanene b'isukuru baene kigu gose baboligwe komanye serikali ya sebali bonsi baroberetie go chikonyara kaba abakoirora amatemu abo ya KCSE omwakoyo kuba muno bali barobereti go sebali bayimukirige tambugiro yugo chakira ekirasi kali ye komina limo gose form 3. Nechingaki okulerwa gose ogosemigwa kugendera kuregwa igoro yoborwere bwa kanza nigo omoteneri wensemeli ya Bomas of Kenya Musbat Purity Clearer airule gose bwatokirengwa naye yokobolia abasubati bonsi gosokana kurwa gosina kwemugi getamugi yokorengwa libanya bakonyora ogokonywa ogosirwa muno kubwenigwa ku muchando iga okanza boigo nigo Musbat Purity Clearer abolirie abantu bonsi kugendera gukwanira engani iga muna enchire yamo yo kwenda kuroba semia na kwaneke buna umuchando iga okansa ngorwani gwore na gosirigwa.
Purity Clearer, Director Bomas of Kenya. Buna mumanyete ewiki ya beire ewiki yoko create awareness on cervical cancer and twensinto manyete nga cancer ya beire umunyamumobe. So ndete go encourage abangi na bonsi gekugeke negento getorengete ntuna abangi tosoke tugende tulingoligo nabono Kisi Teaching and Referral Hospital General bali babwate program eyo bakoringoli abale besokire nande ayo yotarasoka akigenda ulingoligo maite munabangina oro iboro asabana bako iborerwa negento kerekyomo kire kya muhimu sana sobugima bwaitu gekora no obugima bwogo chakera nande mbuya we take care of that segontete gusaba akitosoke twensi bunabangina nje nakolire yane nalingoligo na nganyeta ama chibwane ngokorande genteke gakiru mwaka nko gendade nalingoligo onontete gosegeta gaki abangina bonsi pipi bagusi mosoke mogende mulingoligo KTRH ngo favorite services each nande bunabara intete ku encourage as leaders all the women leaders all the leaders from everywhere to kore mentorship to our girls gekogera most of our girls right now especially who are sexually active bagende balingoligo so that we are able to prevent this monster nkubasaba gaki county ya Kisi make those things up.
Na umuntu murigereri abarayi bomo bwa Asmila umoja wa Kenya Alliance bakora wa amo no murayi bwe kiama kya Wiper umuske Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigo banyalika bakubwatoka ekerengere kyabo kubwa muno igoro yo gutarosigwa gwe kyombe yo bwa kichigura amo na chimbebe IEBC bakwana litikolia lero nigo babolije murayi bwe nse muske William Ruto kwaneke buna ikyombe kyaro sigwa sobwa ngomono eli mirobeli yonzi yo bwa kichigura amo nabo igo korosigwa gwe chimbebe enyaraka ba hake gwekiranigwa.
One day we hope to come up with a very clear statement on what's going on in the meantime within the IEBC Secretariat itself. There are terrible things going on there, like procurement, and they're testing the ground. We gather there's somebody, a former commissioner sitting as an advisor in State House, who is giving instructions to the IEBC Secretariat. The country is watching, and they are testing waters. If we allow them to go on with the procurement, the next thing they want to do is even procure election materials for 2027.
Ni vyema William Ruto hakikisha kwamba IEBC commissioners are in place kwa haraka ili aweze kunyoroshwa na opposition ambayo inaongozwa na Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Hii haitakuwa mambo ya yai ili anachorwa na kupagusa kabisa. Na ni asubuhi mapema amekaa kiliaria mambo ya yai, sasa agoje kunyoroshwa na Kalonzo mwenyewe.
William Ruto has no excuse but to proceed and do the needful. The country is waiting. We have started the third year of this administration, and we must start making the necessary preparations for the next elections.
Muntu muligirali kubwatakana amone chingwana nchio chiaye amoske Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka kuba mono igoro yekiombe ya IEBC na boigo karangara kiaye bonanza chinde nigo amerobuliende mengo talimi yegendete kurwa sekiombe ya IEBC nigo omuwaziri bwintotane nigo se environment omoske Aden Bare nyakabaga kubolia omurai bwe kiama gose bwe kiama omurai oyubwi kiama kya Wiper muske Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka kwa kia abuna ngobwe kale chingwana gosongo batukale chingwana chomorembe na boigo anyalekaba gagokeane chingwana chirijira lekana na nkubaga na chire abakenya na boigo komobolia gotiga kuruta amangana kuba mono weke mbiya IEBC yakara mirobeli yonse ni gagandate kwenekera okirania ekiombe kyongangoro sigukere ase ebirengo bigwenerete.
Sisi tunaamini Wakenya waishi pamoja, Waislamu kwa Wakristo, makabila zote. So I want to ask some leaders to stop profiling public servants, and more so public servants in the security sector who come from Northeastern. Nobody can profile the DG National Intelligence Service. Nobody can profile the Director of Criminal Investigation, Mr. Amin. Those are Kenyans, qualified, competent, given the job by the President. After evaluating them, and there were many Kenyans who were DGs of National Intelligence Service when I was in politics. There was General Kameru, there was General Gishangi, there was General Boynet. Hamukuongea. Mbona mnaongea wakati Mkenya mwingine kutoka eneo la Northeastern amepewa? DCI kulikuwa na wengi. Kinoti alikuwa DCI. Waliua watu wengi sana. Rivayala watu 42 walikufa. Wewe Kalonzo hukuongea. Watu wengi hawakuongea. Hapa Garissa hii river Tana River tulipata watu 16 mwili yao iko hapo. Hamukuongea.
Muntu muligirali gwe karabe tokanda muntu mukomokega tokirana ngenda kumanyia amange ime yekionga chinsa ibere osichinsa inye obotuko bwarero.
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Nilan Hub niye moya chiduka echichiko n'ebintu bigutumika service na bigase nyumba yao, yani furnitures aseli golidia mabuko ebyo bikomenya segeka asechinsamo cha living room mbabwate chi throw pillows echujire chichingenjo au nabwo ne chikala au mbabwate recliner sofa sets ejura onjura ne bunu kuganya kwawo kole nkone bale fabric sofa sets echujire chechi 7 seater nabwo ne chechi 6 seater echujire chechi rangi ne chi design au nkonya bale marble and glass top adjustable TV stands ejura tumeke asoko beketi byao buya ase chinsamo cha coffee tables nkonya bale wooden coffee tables mbabwate glass top coffee table nkonya bale marble top coffee tables egatie chinde chinyinge asinsamo cha dining room mbabwate dining table na boigo nechi set korwa asemete ya mahogan echuchire chechi 66 na boigo nechi 86 na boigo mbabwate marble top inyuranga Nilan Hub igobwate umurulio olipa pole pole asuwanchiro wakanira ebintu bigangorangora wika wakolire tonyole imbeyo mucho songo asebara yasunika migori otaraikasenya gitaji lya nyangena boigo ndabogwaka esimi gwetrase chinamba chito echuchire enoti sano libere kyanda eyemo isano libere isato kyanda ibere inye kose enoti sano libere isano nesato ibere inye eyemo inye isano libere inye elio okole amonjilio asinka ya olero Nilan Hub where style comfort and quality meet.
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Sha Ceramics netuka eyeko n'ebintu by'obwagaji aho asiligolirense nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo aho mbabwate chitanki aho nabwo kurose company aho locks and accessories babwate chichogo se toilets echichire chechingenjo aho nabwo n'ebintu bigutumikase e bathroom babwate kitchen sinks nabwo ne tap babwate bintu bigokora plumbing aho babwate marbles and granites nkonya bale MDF boards konya bale deformed bath chichingenjo aho babwate bathtubs babwate tiles echichire chichingenjo aho konya bale boigo ebintu bunabono wall to wall carpets nkonya bale boigo chirangi korwase company aho asibabwate chimachine echo chiko chiburukania babwate biro byechingenjo aho babwate gypsum pots chisimiti amabati egati ebintu binde binge ebyo bakonya seligolirense niko bagutuka asenyombere manyakantabuna Cansons Plaza asebara ya Kisi Kisumu imbeyo muchuyiga obusongo asamange naboko bakiresi bigwetrasa chinamba cyabo 0703943972.
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Karibu na ndo mwancho muligerali itogendera ne kionga chinsa inye oyo kabere omukonyi bumurai bwense muske Geoffrey Irigati Gachagua naboigo omurai gwe kiama kia na Kenya omuske Martha Karua nigo bagendete komochia serikali yo murai bwense omuske William Ruto asobata abuna nigo omuske Ruto agendete kura ense korengana abuna ogosemeligo nokugani kwa Kenya gutali nigo mbulio murai bwense ko wena kiabuna ngo bwatali chiko asobitambuka binde byonse biri akoigendete kuri mukia ime yense ya Kenya
because the country is on downtrend in matters economy, theft of public funds, and too much corruption, and then again intolerance and depression. Since the time of the white colonialists, brutal as they were against us, they never went for our children. This is the first time a government has gone for the children, our young people, the Gen Zs. We want to encourage our young people that they are on the right side of history. I want to affirm my children, my sons and daughters, the Gen Zs. Please carry on. You are doing a good job. And don't fear. Because if you don't, there is nobody else to do it. All institutions of oversight have been compromised. The Parliament, the National Assembly, the Senate. The opposition has been neutered. And I told President William Ruto to stop crying about the agencies because it's his own creation, because nature abhors vacuum. Once you neuter the opposition, you compromise the institutions of oversight. Since nature abhors vacuum, another group will come up. And that is how our young people have come up to fill in that gap. But I want to tell the agencies that what you are doing on the smartphone is very good, and we want to encourage you and we want to say congratulations. But it is not enough.
Yetu, ukipatiwa nafasi kama kiongozi, sio title deed. Kenya si yako, Kenya ni yetu zote. Huwezi kuanza mambo yako ambayo haieleweki, ambayo haiko kwa katiba, tutakuambia la. But the process is just becoming complete. I know I have had my brother, is likely also to be launching, but I'm inviting you all. PLP ni nyumba kubwa. Mukisikia mnataka kuingia, njooni tutembee. Mukiform ingine, hata hiyo hatukatai, because we'll still work together. Vile tuko hapa, kila mtu ako na dini yake, lakini sote tuko hapa. Hata chama tunaweza kuwa many political parties, but all marching to...
Mwanjumo ligerali na boigo omo wasiri bubulendi bweime omoske Onesimus Kipchumba Murkomen amo nabaraibande kurwa asensemo ye serikali nikabanya kabago ikirana sinsemo chano 350 asabagenda teniganga yabo kwane kebona chinseme chinko nyachire kwa gachiko enekia omolembe ase ebirengo biri bitakeire gakwana chinga kiechio omoske Kipchumba Murkomen nigana kibuna serikali nigabege tomokia yoko enekebuna obulendi tiboliko chiko kya na gosokobora asinseme chuna kwa kabere kale Moske Kipchumba Murkomen nigabwa tegose nigalinge amo nabaraibande egati yabo omorikyo monene bwewisara yechisemi omoske Dr. Pele Kipsang
in Elgeyo Marakwet, the other day in Baringo, but I am very confident that this is the last part of the work we are doing to make sure that we get rid of all these elements that have terrorized the citizens of this country for many years.
Kwamba baada ya hiyo imesimika, tunataka kufanya mikutano kati ya jamii zote mbili ili kuwa na sustainable coexistence.
I can tell you that we had a meeting of leaders from Kerio Valley, all the way from Elgeyo Marakwet, from West Pokot, from Turkana, Laikipia, Samburu, Baringo on the other day. And we all agreed that we are going to deal with this problem with a finality.
Tumewaelewa. Munajaribu kuona kama Kipchumba Murkomen atareact na manakani. Ndio munafanyia mic testing watu ya Baringo North na watu ya Elgeyo Marakwet. Kuwa watu na kuchukua mali yao. This government under William Ruto and the security forces in Baringo here that the government has provided, we shall deal with criminals and bandits up to their cages in Baringo.
Mwanjumo ligerali go ikirabu na togokorera amangana mayaye kionga chinsenye obotuko obwarero korende nigo ngogotiga asema kaya Lucas Mogaka nyagoba okomanya amangana amanyikanite buna omoburera asanya takobaga kurigeria ensemelia ekubwa mona sensema ya cheche kubwa mono asamangana ali anya takobaga kubwa togosega okwanwa negati abarai mensi ya Kenya ase eikiyaita nje ni ngoro ko Haruni Ototo nyaingiri na kuranza moya transmission igakoro kwa fira kairili na igo tokuganeria obotuko obia.
Wait, hold on.